There are over 4.8 billion people using social media today, and what does that mean for your business? It means your potential clients are already scrolling somewhere on social media, but remember, no one comes on Facebook, logs in on Instagram or any social media platform with their credit card or with their Visa card ready to purchase anything. And that is why you need a strategy. A strategy is just a way like to attract them and to get to them and to convince them to buy from your business. And in case you do not understand, posting on social media does not mean marketing, or just posting every day and hoping one day you will go viral is not a strategy. Your business needs a solid strategy to reach to the potential customers. And on this video, I'll be talking about how to create a good social media strategy. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah. This is my 5th year working from home as a writer and a digital marketer. The first step of creating a social media strategy is knowing what is your business goal. In this season in your business, what is your goal? Is it awareness? Is it traffic? What is your main business goal? For example, if you are a startup, you may want to focus more on awareness, like letting people know actually there is this new business that is in the market, than focusing more on making sales. If you are an established business, and this is what many people goes for, is making sales. Now, I don't mean as a new business you should not focus more on making sales, but it would be better for you to focus on awareness. If it is a new product in the market, if you're introducing something new in the market, awareness would be the best thing for your business. The second thing, after now you understand your goal, is knowing who is your target audience, where are they, what they are doing. Is it the young people? Are they on TikTok? Are they using Facebook? Are they on Instagram? You need to study them and understand actually who they are, what they are doing, what they are searching for. It is very important to study your target audience. You do not want to be directing or selling an anti-aging product to 15 years old and 17 years old on TikTok, while the people who actually need anti-aging products are using Facebook and they are more active there than on TikTok. Maybe you are a fitness trainer focusing more on TikTok, whereas the people that you should focus in are more on Instagram. You need to understand, for example, if it is a product for the young people, you do not want to be posting it more on Facebook than you posting it more on TikTok, because now young people are on TikTok. Know who are your target audience, what platforms they're using, what's trending for them, what are they searching, how can you solve their problems, and just everything about your target audience. Understanding this target audience will help you or your business be able to choose the right platform for you. Now, there are so many social media platforms out there, but guys, it's very hard for any business, one single business, to focus on all of them at the same time. You need to have a primary one. For example, if most of your target audience is on Instagram, you should focus more on Instagram. If it is on TikTok, your primary focus should be on TikTok. And now you can have other platforms where you repurpose your content and put the ads and all the effort on your main platform, where 80 or 90% of your target audience is hanging out online. The next important thing is content. You already know what is your goal, your target audience, where they are now. What type of content do you create for them? Is it educational, which is tips and how to? Is it entertaining and trends? Is it inspirational? Is it promotional? For example, you do not want to be making trendy TikToks, but your audience does not find it interesting. For example, your audience is women between 40 to 50 who does not even have time, or they're not even interested in those trendy TikToks. Or you'll be making posts where you're targeting the young people, but you do not put anything interesting. Maybe you're giving them very promotional and very solid type of content. You need to be fluid. You need to know this is the type of content my target audience consumes. If it's YouTube, if it's any social, if it's Facebook, understand the type of content that your target audience consumes, and that way you'll be able to get them faster. This will also help you to be able to create relevant content, and after you've created content and you put it out there, you'll be able to monitor it. You'll be able to check on the engagement. You'll be able to check on the impressions. You'll be able to see, okay, this is the number of people who came to my website from that post, from that ad, and you'll be able to track everything. And guys, when it comes not creating a strategy, you have to keep on measuring, because it's not one fit for all. You can try something and it doesn't work, but try out something else and it blows up your business and it blows up the whole strategy. So you need to be very keen. You need to keep on checking how is it working. You need to keep on changing a few things, keep on focusing and studying your target audience, know what they're doing, know what they're searching, because that is very, very important. I hope you guys, or I hope this makes sense for you. Let's try to create a very short strategy for a new anti-aging product. Let's say this is a product for maybe 30-year-old women, because people in their 20s do not have business buying these anti-aging products. So you're going to check, okay, what platforms are these people using? Are they on Facebook? Are they on TikTok? So these people, are they watching YouTube videos? You want to study these people and know, okay, they are on Instagram, they are watching these YouTube videos, and they are on TikTok, but they are not very much into it. Study them and you'll be able to understand the type of content to put out for them. For example, this 30 to 40-year-old mom who has maybe 2 or 3 kids, maybe they are working or they are stay-at-home mom raising their kids. What content would they resonate with? For example, is it educational tips on how? Is it sending that product to that mom influencer? This is going to help you understand the type of marketing and just the type of content that you're going to create for your business. I hope this makes sense. In case you have a question, drop it down on the comment section. And in case you would want to hire me to create a social media strategy for your business, you can hire me on Fiverr. I'm going to put a link down on the description box. You can also send me an email and we will talk. Yes, make sure you subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video.